Suzuki. I'm proud to present the Suzuki Swift Attitude Dualjet 1.2. This vehicle is a 2019 vehicle with 2 keys and 1 previous owner. The vehicle has 7,900 miles and is in great condition. I will now walk you around the vehicle to show you the inside and also the specification of the car. Starting at the front, we have the daytime running lights with fog lights, signature chrome and honeycomb style grille with carbon front splitter, 16-inch alloy wheels which are diamond cut and all in great condition with great tyres, carbon side skirts with body coloured door mirrors and door handles, privacy glass on 3 sides with the hidden rear door handles, carbon rear diffuser with rear roof spoiler. As you can see, the vehicle has the sports styling look, and after walking around the vehicle you can see there are no dents, scratches or blemishes in the paint of any kind. I will now give you a quick insight to the interior. As you can see, Suzuki do very well with wide opening doors, allowing for ease of access, electric door mirrors with electric front windows, height adjustable driver's seat with tilt and slide function. Onto the interior, we can see we have a multifunction flat bottom steering wheel consisting of audio and Bluetooth controls. Climate control, we have aircon with front and rear heated screen. Down in the centre we have a USB socket with a 12-volt charging socket, both to charge your phone. Looking around the vehicle, we have plenty of storage pockets. Bluetooth CD radio player with media functionality from the USB. In the interior, you can see the interior is in great condition. There are ISOFIX points on the 2 outer rear seats. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. The vehicle will come with a 12-month service, the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty and a valet. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Don't forget to look at our Auto Trader reviews and Facebook.